Hello and welcome. So today in this video we'll discuss on the topic ratio and proportion of class 7. Okay, so let's see what is proportion, what is ratio first. Ratio means comparison of two or more quantity of the same kind. So here let's see some example. Suppose ratio. Here is given, suppose 500 meter by 1 kilometer. Now see, the unit is different, quantity is different. Here meter and here it is unit. So what we'll do, we'll convert this one into meter. So this will become 500 by 1000 because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So this will become of same unit. So if you cancel 5 ones are 5 twos are. So the ratio will become 1:2. So these are comparison of two or more quantity of the same kind. Okay, so the ratio will become 1:2. Fine. So we'll see some example from the exercise. Here one of the question is given 1/3:1/4. So you have to convert in the simplest form. So what we'll do, here in the denominator, here it is 3 and here it is 4. So we'll take the LCM of both the number, that is 12. LCM is 12. So what we'll do, we'll multiply both the number with 12. So 1/3 into 12 is to 1/4 into 12. So if you cancel, it will become 4 and this will become 3. So ratio will become 4:3. Clear? We'll see some other example. So this is in mixed fraction, so we have to convert into fraction. So 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7/3, and this will be 12, 12, 1 13, 13/4. Now you see the LCM of these two number will be, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So you multiply both the number by 12. So 7/3 into 12, 13/4 into 12. If you cancel, it will be 4, 4 7s are 28 and this will be 39. So ratio will be, ratio is 28:39. This is how we can convert it into the simplest form. Okay, what if there are three numbers? So this is our third question. So this is also given in mixed fraction, so we have to convert into fraction. So what we'll do, if you multiply 2 ones are 2, 1 3, 3/2. This will become 6 7 8, 8/3. 4 3 are 12, 1 13, 13/4. Now you see, we have to find the LCM of these three number. Okay, so the LCM of these three number will be 12. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So you multiply all the numbers by 12. So 3/2 into 12 is to 8/3 is to, sorry, here 12, 13/4 into 12. So this will become 3, this will become 4, this will become 6. 6 3s are 18, 8 4s are 32 and this will be 39. So ratio will become 18:32:39. This is how we can convert into simplest form. So we'll see some other example. So our next question is 73 days and 1 year. Okay, this is given in days and this is given in year. So we have to convert the year into days. Okay, we'll take into the simplest form. So what can we write? We'll directly write like the ratio equals to 73 days and 1 year mean 365 days. Okay, so how many times it will cancel? 5 3s are 35, 1 36. So it will be cancelled 5 times. So 1/5. So ratio is 1:5. Okay, so this is the simplest form. So our next question is, a certain amount of money is divided in the ratio 2:3. If the second part is 750, find the total amount. Okay, so the ratio is given 2:3. Okay, so here the ratio is given 2:3 and the second part is given 750. We don't know the first part, so let first part be x. So as we know, the ratio of first part by second part. Okay, so ratio is given what? 2/3, so we can write 2/3 like this. Fine. First part we have taken x, second part is 750. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 3 into x, 3x, and 750 into 2. So 3 is here, 3 is multiplying with x, take it to the other side. X equals to 750 into 2 divided by 3. So this will become how many? 250. So x equals to 500. So you got the first part is 500. So total will be what? First part plus second part. The first part is 500 plus 750. So this will become 1250. So total amount will become 1250. Fine. So we'll see our next question. So our next question is given A is to B is given 3 is to 4 and B is to C is given 5 is to 6. So you have to find A is to B and A is to B is to C. Okay. Now here you see we write A is to B equals to 3 is to 4 and this can be written as or A by B is equals to 3 by 4. This is the equation 1. And next one is given B is to C equals to 5 is to 6 or B by C equals to 5 is to 6. We can write, right? So equation 2. Now here you see B is having in both the term. Okay, so B is common. So what we will do here, B is given 4 and here B is given 5. Okay, so what we will do here, since B is common in both the cases, so what we will do, we have to make the value of B same. So here we will write since B is common in both the case, so to make B same. Okay, we have to make the value of B same. So next what we will do, so we will take the LCM of B, that is LCM of B will be what? Here B is 4 and here B is 5. So what we will get the LCM? LCM will be 4 into 5. So 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, next we will do what? Now here A is to B equals to 3 is to 4, it is given, right? So what we will do? We will try to make the value of B equals to 20. So 4 how many times? 4 5 times. 4 5s are 20. So we'll put here also 5. So this will become 15. Clear? Similarly for B by C. B by C is given 5 by 6 into B value is in the numerator, so we have to make B value as 20. So 5 how many times? 5 4 times. So here we'll put 4 and here also we'll put 4. 6 4s are 24. Now we'll get the same value, right? Now here A is to B is equals to 15 is to 20 and B is to C is given 20 is to 24. Now you see the value of B is same. So therefore A will become 15, B will become 20 and C will become 24. Fine. Once we find the value of A, B and C, we'll put them in this. So A is to C will become what? A is 15 and C is 24. Next, A is to B is to C. So it will be 15 is to 20 is to 24. And that's our answer. Okay. So whenever we get such type of question, we'll try to see which one is common. So here B is common. So we'll try to make the value of B same. Okay. By taking LCM. So our next question is question number 6. It is given a man weight 77 kg. He reduced his weight in the ratio 7:5. Find his new weight. Okay. The weight of man is given 77 kg. Okay. And here the weight is reduced 7:5. Okay, initially it was 7, then it is reduced to 5. Okay, so it's mean here it will be the new weight will be equals to, here you see initially it was 77 kg, fine 77 kg, and from 7 the weight reduced from 7:5. It's mean 7, initially it was 7. So what we'll do, we'll take the reciprocal of this, 7 of 77 kg. Okay, so what we'll do, 5 by 7 into 77, so cancel it, 11, it will become 55 kg. So from 77 to it reduced to 55 kg. Okay, then only the ratio will become 7:5. Our next question is, in 10 gram of an alloy, 1/4 gram is copper. Weight of alloy is given 10 gram and weight of copper is given 1/4 gram. It's mean 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 17/4 gram. Okay, so weight of zinc. Okay, so the alloy is made up of copper and zinc. So copper weight is 17/4 gram. So you have to find the weight of zinc. The weight of zinc will become what? If you minus from the total weight this, you will get the weight of zinc. So it will become 10 minus 17/4. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take the LCM. LCM is 4. So what we'll do, since whenever the LCM is 4, we are multiplying both the number. What we'll do, in the numerator we'll cross multiply, 10 into 4 minus 17 into 1. So this will become 40 minus 17/4. So this will become 23/4 gram. Okay, so weight of zinc will become 23/4 gram. Clear? Now here it is saying, find the ratio of the weight of zinc to copper. So ratio zinc to copper. So zinc is 23/4 and the other one is 17/4. Now here you see, in the numerator the denominator is 4 and the denominator, again there is a denominator that is 4, so we can cancel it. Okay, so we can cancel it, so it will become 23/7. So ratio will become 23:17. Okay, so that's all from this topic, from the topic ratio. Okay, next we'll start what is proportion. So our next topic is proportion. So what is proportion? proportion mean if any two ratio are equal, okay, then they are called proportion. Let A, B, C and D are four quantities, then it will be proportion if A is to B is equals to B, C is to D. Okay, if the ratio are equal, if this ratio is equals to this ratio, then we can say that A, B, C, D are proportional. Okay, so we'll see some example. So there is a formula to check whether the ratio are proportional or not. Okay, so we'll see, suppose these are the ratio, product of extreme equals to product of mean. Okay, to check whether A, B, C and D are proportional or not, we'll see the product of extreme is equals to product of mean. If they are equal, then we will say that A, B, C and D are proportional. So product of extreme will be here, extreme is this one, A into D, and mean is this one, B into C. If their value is equal, then we will say that A, B, C and D are proportional. So question number 1 is saying check if the following quantities are in proportion. So let's see, let's do, the question is given 3, 4, 18, 24. These are the 4 value. Okay, so we can write like this, 3 is to 4, 18 is to 24. So we'll find the product of extreme equals to product of mean. If left hand side equals to right hand side, then we'll be confirmed that all these values are in proportion. So what I'll do, product of extreme mean 3 into 24 and here 4 into 18. So 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 72, 4 8s are 32, 2 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, 72. So left hand side equals to right hand side, therefore 3, 4, 18 and 24 are in proportion. Okay, they are in proportion. So we'll see next question number 2. So in the question number 2 it is given you have to find the value of x. So one of the question is given 7 is to x is to 21. It's mean we'll write in the ratio 2 by 7 equals to x by 21. Okay, so this ratio can be written as in this form, and x is to 21 can be written as x by 21. So what will cross multiply? So if you cross multiply 7 into x, 7x, and if you multiply 21 into 2, you don't have to multiply, you just keep it. Okay, so x equals to, if you bring this 7 to the other side, it will divide. Fine, it will divide. So cancel 3 times, so x equals to 3 2s are 6. This is how we can find the value of x. We'll see one more example. 4 is to x equals to 20 is to 25. Okay, so this can be written as 4 by x and this 20 by 25. So cross multiply, how much you will get? 20x, and if you multiply 25 into 4, take this 20 to the other side, it will divide. 25 into 4 by 20. So 4 5 jar and 5 5 jar. So x equals to 5. This is how we can find the value of x, okay, in proportion. So our next question is given find the mean proportion between these two numbers. Find the mean proportion. So let x be the mean proportion. So mean proportion mean it will lies between these two numbers. So this can be written 6 is to x equals to x is to 0.96, isn't it? So this can be written as 0.06 by x and x by 0.96. So if you multiply this one, it will become x square, and this one if you multiply, it will become 0.06 into 0.96. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll convert it into fraction. So this will be 6 by 100 into 96 by 100, so x square. Fine. So if you multiply this one, 96 by 6, 36, 3, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57, 57. So 7, 576 by, this is 100 into 100, mean 100 is square. Okay, so this can be converted into a square. So 576 is the square of 24. So we'll write like this: x square equals to 24 square by 100 square, right? So what will be the value of x? You can write x square equals to, see, 24 square and here 100 square. So square is common. So what will write? 24 by 100 and square. So we know that square will get cancelled. So square will get cancelled. X 24 divided by 100, it will become 24. Okay, so the value of x is this. So our next question is given: find the third proportion of the following. Third proportion, and the value is given. So the value are given 3 and 12. So right here, let the third proportion be x. So whenever two terms are given and it is saying to find the third proportion, so what we'll do, we'll write in this form: 3 is to 12 equals to 12 is to x. Okay, these two numbers are given, so 3 is to 12 and 12 is to x. So what we'll do, we'll write in the proportion 12 by x. So if you cross multiply, it will become 3x and this will become 12 into 12. Take this 3 to the other side. X equals to 12 into 12 divided by 3, 4. So x will become 48. Okay, this is how we can find the third value. Fine. We'll do one more question. So our next question is question number 6. Find the fourth proportion to the following. So here 3 is given. Here to find the fourth proportion. So let the fourth proportion be x. Okay, so we can write 1 is to 2, 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 4, and the fourth proportion is x. So we'll multiply this one with this. Okay, isn't it? Product of extreme equals to product of, so product of mean and product of extreme. So half, okay, we'll write product of extreme equals to product of mean. So product of extreme is half into x, and here 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, so this will become, if you multiply x into 1 is x, x by 2, and this will become 1 by 12. So if you take these 2 to the other side, it will go in the numerator. So x equals to 1 by 12 into 2. So if you cancel, it will become 6. So x will become 1/6. This is how we can find the fourth proportion. So this is all about ratio and proportion of class 7. Okay.